Greetings coding widgets. Krishna Sharma here from KREDICT and welcome to the 23rd magical episode of our JavaScript series. In the next 4 videos, we are diving deep into the mystical world of the DOM. Today we Today we begin our journey by mastering the art of selecting and modifying elements. So grab your coding mats and let's unravel the secrets of the DOM. So first is selecting elements with query selectors. Our journey into the DOM begins with the spellbinding ability to select elements. Let's explore the power of query selector. So here we have an example. So first we have to make a variable header element let and document dot query selector. So query selector is select the elements by ID, class, or a element by its name. So here we have a ID header. So first we will make a HTML file. And here the power of emit. First I will write DOM second. And here I want to give a class header. So here we have a class header and this header element selecting the header, and second is paragraph element. So document query selector is selecting the paragraph. In the content is parent element and paragraph is child element. So how you can say here, if you make a content, and in the content if you make paragraph, and in the paragraph if I write credit is amazing. So this is paragraph. So this line is targeting this line. I hope you are getting. So we have an amazing example. We will just change the color of all the paragraph in the content. So paragraph elements is targeting this. So this will change the color of the paragraph text. So first I want to show you the before color. So you can see here we have a color black. I hope you are getting. So if you comment out this, so color will purple. First I have to link the file of script.src and you will init this file. I hope you are getting. So you can see here the paragraph text color is changed with purple. So let's move to next. So query selector selects the first element that matches a specified CSS selector. Query selector all grab a collection of elements based on a CSS selectors. So let's move to next, modifying element and attributes. So now that we have selected our magical elements, let's weld the spell to modify not just the content but also very essence of element. So here we have a header element. So first I select in the example. So in the header element, what we have write it in the header element. I didn't write anything. So if I write credit in the head, so you can see first I want to comment that. So if I comment this, and you can see here we have a credit. So if we want to change the content of the header, so if I see header element dot text content is equal to welcome to the enchantment castle, so you can see the content is changed. I hope you are getting. So next is paragraph element 0. So first element of paragraph set attribute data enchantment level 5. So this will change. So we have an amazing example. This is for you. You have to practice this example. So text content, change the text content of the element, and set attribute, set the value of the attribute. So second, another we have a handling styles and classes. So we will just handle the classes and styles. The aesthetic of our enchantment realm as are crucial as the magic within. Let's explore handling styles and classes. So handling styles and classes in the DOM. So we will change the font size of header, and paragraph we will add some classes. So here the font size of the header is changed. First the font size is very small, and here the so you can see the font size is very small, but if you want to change the style, you can see the font size is increased. So next we have an amazing example. This is only for you. You have to just practice this example. So next we have a handling event and interactive. The true enchantment of the DOM comes alive when our spells respond to the user action. Let's master the art of handling event for our interactive experience. So here we have a example. Header element add event laser click. So when we have click, this will print in the console a statement. So here if I click this, you can see the console is responding when I am clicking. So here also you have an amazing example for you. You have to practice this. So that concludes our first exploration into mastering the DOM. If you found this spell intriguing, hit the like button, subscribe for more coding magic, and share your thought in the comment below. In our next video, we will delve deeper, connecting the BOM and DOM and the magical land of JavaScript. Until then, may your selection be precise, your modification be interesting, and happy coding.